Hi everyone, welcome back to Network Guru. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use face tracking in CapCut PC. That's right, we are working in the desktop version. This is really cool editing trick you can add to your videos to give them a dynamic professional touch. Let's dive right in. Start by dragging your video into the editor timeline. Highlight your clip, right-click it and select Copy. Then paste it directly above the original clip. Create a second layer. Important, CapCut needs it set up this way to apply tracking properly. After posting, mute the audio on the duplicate track to avoid sound issues. Scrub through your clip and find where you want the face tracking to begin. Highlight the duplicate clip and split it at your starting point. Then find where you want tracking to stop and split it again. Now you have a specific section ready for face tracking. Select the clip you just split, head over to the top right and look for the tracking option. Next to video, speed, animation, click on tracking and then choose motion tracking. You'll see a tracking box appear. Position the box over the subject's face. Choose the direction you want tracking to happen. I usually select both, forward and backward for smooth results. Make sure follow the tracking objects is turned on. Once you are ready, click Start and CapCut will now process the tracking automatically. Give it a moment. Once the motion tracking is completely, play back your video to see the tracking in action. You'll notice the camera sticks to the face, creating a cool, dynamic movement effect. Once you're happy with the result, export your video and you're good to go. And that's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.